This is a review of the TABOUNTS Restoration Headlight Kit that we are going to be doing a unboxing review and test on, in which the brand sent me out this product to put to a test on, and I was gifted to. That we are going to pretty much unbox this and then show you guys what you get from there. We are also going to test it out. And without going further, let's do then show you guys what you get inside and how do you exactly use this to restore your headlights. Okay, so here's everything we get out of the package. It comes with the microfiber cloth, then it comes with instructions. So now what you have to do is you evenly apply this onto the surface and you spread it out for 30 seconds. Then step number 2 is thoroughly rinse the headlight surface with the clean water, remove all cleaner, then use the dry cloth, then wipe any water spots or excess that it gets onto. Then right over here, say squeeze an appropriate amount of crystal coating liquid onto the headlight surface and you carefully complete it to complete the restoration. Now they're talking about this thing right over here, which is the protective coating, which you must have to use. And if you're wondering why, well, if you use the headlight restoration spray, you want to make sure that it lasts long and there's no any problems further ahead of the road. This is a very important step that you must complete, which you use the sponge that comes provided with and you just evenly apply onto it and let it sit for a while, and then from there it should dry out. It comes with the nozzle right over here for the spray and the microfiber cloth and instructions, and yeah, that's pretty much all it to it. And what we're gonna do now is that we are going to go outside and test it on my 2009 Infiniti G37 and show you guys the before and after and the finished results afterwards. Okay, so this is the current situation of my headlights. You can see they're completely oxidized and all messed up, that we are going to fix right now using this right over here. So first thing is to clean it up with this. Any type of spray, detail spray, will clean the headlights up, because you want to make sure that you clean the surface before you start doing this and prepping the surface. Now, as you guys know, the next thing after that is you're going to be using this, the TABOUNTS Headlights Restoration Kit. From there, the spray, and leave it on there for evenly for about 30 seconds. We're going to spray this up. And from there, we're going to be using this thing right over here, which is the last part of it, which is the protective coating, to make sure that it lasts long and it stays there like that. And yeah, without going further, we're going to spray this on and then show you guys the finished results. Okay, so you let the product sit for about 30 seconds, and from there you wait. Then the next thing you do is wipe it up with the microfiber towel that they provide, and then we're going to see how it looks like. So you can see how beautiful this headlight looks like. It looks like a brand new headlight now. And keep in mind that this is a headlight from back in 2009 and is the original one that's still on the car. You can see right over here, all brand new right over here. It looks like literally from the factory, you got a brand new headlight. Now what we're gonna do now is we're going to repeat the step right over here, which is we are going to use this for the protective coating, and that is the last and final step. Okay, so just like that, you spray it onto this, so it just gently goes on here, and then you just go in a straight direction just like this. You just keep doing it just like that, and then from there, that is the final and last step, and from there you are done with the restoration of your headlight, and it should look brand new just like this right over here. And check this out right over here. This is the before. You can see how bad the visibility is at nighttime with this headlight right over here. You can see you cannot see anything on the road, and I wanted to show you guys to see how well this product works. This is the before, and what I'm about to show you guys is the finished results of the after, which is right over here. And check this out, a big significant difference, a night and day difference if you ask me. And it changes the entire appearance to my exterior of my car. It makes it look like brand new again, especially the headlights look like they are brand new headlights. And you can see, and keep in mind, this is the headlights from the factory from back in 2009. And you can see how big of a difference this is compared to the headlight on the passenger side that I showed you guys before. Extremely bad visibility, and this right over here is the finished results of the finished wipe down that I used with the product. And a big night and day difference. I would definitely recommend this product if you are looking for a headlight restoration kit to make your headlights look brand new again. Then this is by far one of the best products to get. And if you just follow the instructions like I showed you guys, and then after I use this as the protective coating for the final results right over here, and wipe it down, and all you have to do is wipe it just like that, just evenly in a straight surface like that, and then you're just done from there. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for a headlight restoration kit to make your headlights look brand new again. Then this is by far one of the best restoration kits that you could get.